how to send fake, current, and live location on WhatsApp. So if you want to send a fake, current, and live location on WhatsApp using Android, then what you need to do is you need to make sure that you've activated your developer mode on your phone. So you can open up your settings and then turn on your developer mode. You can just simply scroll down a bit and you can go with system, and here you can go with developer options. So if you don't have the developer options turned on, then what you can do is just simply go back and you can go with about phone and software information. Here you will have the build number. You can just tap on the build number for 7 times and your developer mode will be turned on. Now once you've done with it, you can go and download a fake GPS location application from your Play Store or your App Store. If you're using it on your Android, you can go with your Play Store and then download a fake GPS tracker. Once you download the application, it will ask you to open your settings. So you can just simply go with your settings, and here you can search for select mock location app. You can just simply tap on it and it will take you to the mock location app. So you need to just go and select the application that you've just downloaded. And once you've selected the application that you've downloaded, which is the fake GPS, then you can just go back and you can open up your WhatsApp. And once you open up your WhatsApp, you can go with the same process. You can go with location and start sharing your location. And once you start sharing your location, then it will send you the fake location. You'll be able to send a fake location. That's how you can send a fake, current, and live location on your WhatsApp using Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.